All right, this video is to help you with understanding how to access your benchmark on Wednesday and Thursday, October 21st and 22nd, and from going forward if you have not yet done this. So you'll be able to find this on our homepage for all of my classes. You will see a blue link. You will click on it and it will take you to the directions. Your benchmarks are 1021 or 1022 depending on when your class meets. So I will expect you to do it during your time, which is 9 to 11 or 1 to 4 or 1:30 to 4 or 3:30, something like that. The release will be at 8:45 in the morning, and I will end it around 8 p.m. tomorrow night each day. You are expected to get it done on the day that it is assigned to you. If you're not able to finish or you do not get to get it done, please let me know, and so we're able to work something out. So this is the direction sheet. I did include some review activities if you wanted to kind of think about it, but you will click on this PowerPoint presentation, and it looks like this. So what you will do, the first thing you have to do is to access the site. So you will click on it. I'm going to open it up on a new page. It looks like this. So then you will click the blue button that says log in to online testing. So you'll click there. Now, what you will do from there is you will use your student ID number and your birthday to log in. So right here, you will see that you will put your student ID number, you'll put your password, which is your birthday, month, day, year. You will click the blue sign in button. Now, here's what you view. It will tell you, hello, welcome, whatever your name is. It will say what test is available to you on that point. So you will then click on the test, and you will be able to go ahead and click next to start your test. There is a way to enable text to speak if you have to have that. If you don't, I wouldn't mess with it. Once you have taken your time and gotten everything completed, you will then submit your test, and so it will look just like this. And you will be able to see what your test, what you have submitted at that point. Once you're done with the class. You do not have to log into Teams unless you have a problem. There is no other work besides the benchmark for that day. So if I go back to my agenda and go down to October and go to the 19th, 23rd, you will notice it tells you your first quarter benchmark, exactly what will go. You need to make sure that any work from last week is done because that was the beginning of this quarter. And so please don't start with yourselves behind. So if you need to go back to last Tuesday or Monday or Tuesday to take your nonfiction quiz, you need to make sure that is done, as well as making sure that the work on the landlady that we did on Wednesday and Thursday is finished. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact me. You may text me or send me a message.